the arrival of Prophet Adam alayhi salam, the beginning of human history. Have you ever wondered, how did human history truly begin? Not from modern science, not from ancient myths, but from the moment the very first human opened his eyes. This is the story of Prophet Adam alayhi salam, the first man, the first soul, and the beginning of our journey on earth. Before time was measured, before mountains stood, before oceans formed, Allah created the universe with a single command, Kun, be. But there was one creation that would be different, a creation of honor, knowledge, and purpose. Allah said to the angels, I am creating a caliph on earth, a being who would think, learn, make choices, and represent goodness. Allah shaped Adam from the clay of the earth, soil from mountains, valleys, deserts, and gardens, symbolizing all races, all colors, all nations. Then came the moment that no creation had ever witnessed. Allah breathed His spirit into Adam alayhi salam, and the first human rose, alive, aware, honored. To show Adam's true value, Allah taught him the names of everything: stars, plants, creatures, angels, the secrets of earth. When the angels were asked, they could not answer. But Adam alayhi salam spoke, and knowledge became mankind's greatest gift. Allah commanded the angels to bow to Adam alayhi salam. Every angel obeyed, except one, Iblees. Blinded by arrogance, he said, I am better than him. You created me from fire, and him from clay. And that was the moment envy was born, the moment evil began. Adam alayhi salam was granted a home in Jannah, a place of beauty, peace, and endless blessings. He was never alone. Allah created Hawa, Eve, as his companion. But Iblis had not forgotten his pride or his revenge. Iblis whispered. He deceived. He promised immortality and a kingdom that would never end. Adam and Hawa slipped. But the story didn't end in punishment. It began with mercy. They turned back to Allah, and Allah forgave them. Adam alayhi salam was sent to earth not as a punishment, but as a mission, to build civilizations, to spread guidance, to begin the human story. And from that moment, history truly started. This was the beginning of mankind, a story of honor, knowledge, struggle, and mercy. If you want the next part, Adam's life on earth, his family, his tests, and how humanity spread, tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful history episodes.